Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, March 24, 2022. In a meeting with their Royal Highnesses, the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge, Prime Minister Andrew Holness affirmed Jamaica's intent to attain and fulfill its true ambitions as an independent, developed and prosperous country in short order. He was speaking with their Royal Highnesses during a courtesy call at Jamaica House on Wednesday.
Jamaica is a very free and liberal country, and the people are very expressive, and I'm certain that you would have seen the spectrum of expressions yesterday. There are issues here which are, as you would know, unresolved, but your presence gives an opportunity for those issues to be placed in context, put front and center, and to be addressed in as best as we can. But Jamaica is, as you would see, a country that is very proud of our history, very proud of what we have achieved, and we are moving on.
This comes just about a week after the Prime Minister told Parliament that an advisory committee would be established to lead the process of moving Jamaica away from being a constitutional monarchy with the Queen as head of state. In the meantime, His Royal Highness the Duke of Cambridge expressed his profound sorrow for slavery during a state dinner held at King's House Wednesday evening.
The appalling atrocity of slavery forever stains our history. I want to express my profound sorrow. Slavery was abhorrent, and it should never have happened.
The Duke of Cambridge said anniversaries such as the International Day of Remembrance of the Victims of Slavery and the Transatlantic Slave Trade, which will be marked on Friday, March 25, provide a moment for reflection.
While the pain runs deep, Jamaica continues to forge its future with determination, courage, and fortitude. The strength and shared sense of purpose of the Jamaican people, represented in your flag and motto, celebrate an invincible spirit.
Their Royal Highnesses arrived in Jamaica on March 22 for a 3-day official visit as part of activities to celebrate the Platinum Jubilee of Her Majesty the Queen. They left the island this afternoon. In other news, 2 orders that will increase the national minimum wage and the minimum wage for industrial security guards were approved by the House of Representatives on Tuesday. They are the National Minimum Wage Amendment Order 2022 and the Minimum Wage Industrial Security Guards Amendment Order 2022. Labour and Social Security Minister Carl Samuda piloted the orders in the House. He says the new rates resulted from recommendations made by the National Minimum Wage Commission following public consultations.
The diligence with which they carried out their mandate has enabled us to make an informed decision with respect to the adjustments which were to be made to the national minimum wages and the minimum wage for industrial security guards.
As was previously announced, effective April 1, the national minimum wage will increase to $9,000 per 40-hour work week or $225 per hour. The minimum wage for industrial security guards will move to $10,500 per 40-hour work week or $262.50 per hour. Security guards will also benefit from increases in laundry, firearm and dog handlers' premium allowances. Meanwhile, life insurance with double indemnity protection and dismemberment coverage will also increase to $2.97 million. The Education Ministry will be constructing a new school for Mile Gully High as part of the infrastructure program for schools. Portfolio Minister Favour Williams made the announcement while touring the school recently.
I was convinced before I came here that Mile Gully needed to be dealt with. And when I asked about it, what I'm told is everybody agrees that there needs to be a new school here.
She advised the school stakeholders that pre-construction activities will begin for the building of a new school this year. This will include transferring the title for 40 acres of land in Manchester Northwest from the National Land Agency to the Ministry of Education to house the new school building.
The approvals are there. Where we are right now, we're going to announce, hopefully in short order, a design competition.
The project will be undertaken as part of the ministry's School Infrastructure Development Program. The Meteorological Service Division is pushing to have its new S-band Doppler radar fully activated by the start of the hurricane season. The Met Service uses the Doppler radar to make forecasts on rainfall and other forms of precipitation. At a JIS think tank on Monday, Director of the Met Service, Evan Thompson, said the new Doppler radar would be commissioned in the next few months.
It has been installed. We've been doing the work now to fine-tune what it is that it will deliver. Training is still to be had with the Met Service. We had initial training just for familiarization with the products and what it is that is going to be required. But then more detailed training is going to be taking place. We will have other entities that are involved in that kind of training. And so the forecasters will now have to integrate what we get from our radar into the actual day-to-day work of the Met Service.
The initiative is being managed by the Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, under the Improving Climate Data and Information Management Project and funded by the World Bank. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.